Let's now focus on the first all-electric Jeep ever, the whole new Jeep Avenger. It will launch here in Europe early next year. Built in Europe, the new Jeep Avenger is a compact embodiment of freedom. And first and foremost, this B SUV has been designed and built as a Jeep vehicle from day one. And it will be the most capable SUV in its segment. The Jeep Avenger offers best-in-class ground clearance, brake cover, approach and departure angles in its category. When you couple this with features such as select terrain and hill descent control, we're bringing best-in-class capability into the B SUV segment for inclement weather and challenging terrain conditions. Secondly, the all-electric Jeep Avenger is targeting a stress-free range of up to 400 km and 550 km in city driving. With fast charging capability, you'll only need 3 minutes to get your daily dose of energy up to 30 kilometers. There's also a fully digital and connected onboard experience. And the Jeep Avenger has automated driving capability and the latest safety technology too. Third, the new Jeep Avenger will offer flexibility and space for people and gear. And there will be multiple opportunities for customization, with over 100 accessories to make the Jeep Avenger your very own.